Welcome to Coder Station.
Hey guys, welcome back to Coder Station again. Today in this video, we will be seeing about bitwise operators in C. So before starting, we will just have a quick recap of what we have done in our previous video. So in our previous video, we have seen about assignment operators and various assignment operators available in C. So please check out our last video before moving towards our current video. So these are the types of operators available in C, and in our previous video I have made each video on each of this specific operator. So if you have not watched these videos, please watch them before continuing today's video. So in our today's video we will be seeing about bitwise operators. So let's check about what bitwise operators are. We are learning about bitwise operator, but what is a bit? A bit is the smallest unit of data in digital communication. It can have one of the two possible values, which is 0 or 1. Bitwise operators performs operations on the binary level, manipulating the individual bits of data within a variable. So these are the bitwise operators in C. The bitwise AND, the bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, and bitwise NOT. These are the main bitwise operators which are available in C. So let's head towards our examples. So let's see about the bitwise AND operator. This is the symbol of our AND operator. Here we have the two operands which are 13 and 10 respectively. So this is the binary representation of our number 13, and this is the binary representation of our number 10, which is 1101 and 1011. Okay, so let's see what our bitwise AND operator tells us. Our bitwise AND operator defines that if both the digits in both the operands are 1, then your result should be 1, else your result should be 0. So here you can see that in the first operand the first digit is 1, but in the second operand the first digit is 0, and hence therefore our result will be 0. Let's move forward to our next digits. So here we have in our first operand as 0, but in the second operand we have 1, so it will be also 0. In our third digits we have 1 0 again, so our result will be 0. But in our fourth operand we have our digit 1 and 1, so it satisfies the condition of our bitwise AND operator, which is if both the digits of both the operands are 1, then your result will be 1. So here you can see the result as 1 because both the digits of both the operands are 1 over here. For shortcut purpose, I will just suggest you that you can also do the multiplication of these two. For example, 1 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 into 1 is equal to 0. 1 into 0 is equal to 0, and 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Just remember that when you are asked about bitwise AND operator, at that time just do the multiplication of the digits and you will get your answer. So moving forward to our next operator is the bitwise OR operator. In this, it states that if you have at least the number 1 in any one of the operand, then your result will be 1, else your result will be 0. It resembles us like the logical OR operation. I am recollecting that what is a logical OR operator. It performs, means the logical OR operator performs the addition operation on the operands. So here if we go by our addition method, we can see that 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1, and 1 plus 1 is also 1. It won't be 2 because there is no binary number as 2. Okay. So now our next operator is the bitwise XOR operator. It states that the two corresponding digits are different, then the result will be 1, and if the two corresponding digits are equal, then the result will be 0. So as we see here, we have the two different numbers 1 and 0, therefore our result is 1. Here also and even here the condition is same. that the numbers are different, so your result will be 1. But in this case, you have the same numbers 1 and 1, and therefore your result will be 0. I'm repeating that in bitwise XOR operator, if the digits are different, then the result is 1. If the digits are same, then the result will be 0. So our last bitwise operator is the bitwise NOT. It is the most simplest operator in the bitwise series. In this, it is performed only on a single operand. Okay, so here it inverses the bit digit. That is, it will convert the number 1 into 0 and the zeros into 1. So here in this operand number 1, we have our decimal number 13, and it is represented as 1101. So here when we inverse it, that is when we change it, our result will be 0 1 0 0. Okay, and in our second example we have the number 1010. So it will inverse the number 0 into 1 and 1 into 0. So here we get the result as 1 0 1 and 0. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying this C programming web series. We will meet in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.